guys, how you doing? I am on my way to the RV parts store because yet again my trailer broke and I've got to fix it. And what I'm going to show you in this video is kind of the weak point of my trailer. And say hi to Chewy. So I'll fill you guys in here, and we're going to stop by Camping World and see if we can't find this part. Alright, we're at Camping World and I'm going to show you the part that keeps messing up on my trailer. So what happens is my trailer drags when it goes over a driveway, and basically what it does is it scrapes the sewer pipe every time I go through it. So now I can't even go 1 or 2 rentals without having to replace it. It's getting to the point where I'm either going to have to reverse the axles and raise up the trailer, or put some casters on the bumper to help it guide over the driveway. So I'm going to show pictures. I'm going to also fix it here in a little bit. I need to buy this part, and I'll get back to you guys here shortly. Guys, I'm at my trailer here. Just want to show you why I hate my trailer. Because of this guy right here. Okay, as you can tell, it keeps getting scraped up as it comes through the driveways. All right, it gets knocked sideways, it creates leaks, just a pain in the ass overall. And you can see that my skid plates are even bent up too. So the area between the ground and the skid plate is super low, super weak. I've been doing some research. What people actually do is they take these off and then they put casters, heavy duty casters on there as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to end up cutting off the pipe and then putting on a new extension piece. So I bought a couple of them. I anticipate it's going to happen a couple more times before I can get to it and get it fixed. The other option too is to flip the axles around. I don't know how much height that will give me. It seems like a lot of work. So yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. I'd love to hear what you guys do to help, prevent from scraping the tailpipe there. Here's the items that I bought to do the repairs here. Now these little couplers here, they're the same. I bought 2 of them just in case I have to do it again. But they were like, I want to say like $5 or $6 from Camping World. Got a couple of couplers for the gray water. I'm not sure what size I needed, so I got the 1.5 and 2 inch. And then I got the really hot stuff that's gonna set up really well. I went to Harbor Freight and I got a little handsaw there. So that's basically what you'll need to do this repair. Again, another reason why I hate my trailer, I don't hate my trailer, I just hate this part, is that I don't have a whole lot of room to cut off of the pipe here to put the coupler on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm sawing off the little nipples here. All on. And what I did is I added a little bit more on the inside there because of where the scrape is. It's a little thin. So, I hope that it holds together. Get a few more trips out of it. But yeah, definitely going to have to do something. Maybe even just bend those down and reinforce them. I'm not sure, but love to hear your comments, guys. All right, and I'll see you in the next video.